Hey guys, thanks for joining us again. And Ibrahim, thanks for being with me here.
Pleasure always, Shil.
Appreciate it. Right, let's get into it. I think first things first, year-to-date numbers, like we came back from summer. We had a flying start to September, and October has looked like it's just kept a good momentum going. But I was doing some digging into the year-to-date details, and I think we're looking like we're slightly behind trajectory on last year in terms of volume. But ahead in terms of value, correct?
Correct, that's very right.
Tell me more about that.
So interestingly, when the year started, everybody thought 2024, we had a great year.
Yeah.
And 2025, with all that noise, correction, and we'll surely touch base later on that, it's going to slow down, but it has just been the opposite. 25 so far has been a great year. Mm-hmm. And you're very right in the number of transactions are a little behind 2024.
Okay.
And I'll be very optimistic. It might even catch up in numbers of transactions. But having said that, the volume of transaction, I'm pretty sure is going to be higher for 2025 than 2024.
Okay.
And as you mentioned that the average size, the average price point has gone up. So that means that people are now focusing on lesser, going towards smaller units like studios and one bed, mm-hmm. and moving maybe towards two beds where the average price point is about 2.7 million. Mm-hmm. And you've been digging data on that. So what do you see?
Yeah, no, I think it all relates back to things that we've said in the past, which is actually where is your preference or your choice in terms of investing? And actually, I think it's actually leaning a lot more in that direction. Now, combing through some of the reports and some of the wonderful tools that we're able to use, things like Property Monitor, etc., we're able to see that actually, whilst there's still a large number of transactions in the one-bed studio, two-bed kind of range, but there's a lot more value coming out the three-bed, four-bed, and higher range. So this was a really, really interesting thing. I think the shape of this year going forward as well, what the developers are also continuing to push out, I think we'll still see a good trajectory, again, maintaining that kind of larger property size segment, transacting a lot more.
No, I agree. And we've been saying it from day one that, it's time to get out of your studios in one bed, move into an upscale investment into two bed or three beds, or even look at townhomes.
Yeah.
So having said that, I think that's the most potential for growth. And our advice to our consumers and clients and friends is, you need more insight, come reach and talk to us. We'll be happy to assist.
100%.